Right, good morning, everybody. Hang on here. Good morning, everybody. Here we are. Day 27 of the $500 challenge. Our account is over 1,800. We started at 500. So let's get ready for the day. Mark out our charts. So we want high of the overnight, low of the overnight, the high of the trading day in the regular session on Friday, and the low. Go. And then I like to mark the low of the Asia session. So let's turn this on. Here's the Asia session right there. All right. Again, we're sitting at all-time highs. I'm actually thinking that we're probably due for a bit of a mean reversion, but let's see what happens here. See where we go. And why working. All right. Yeah, let's go see what our friends are doing. Maybe. Market's opening in 2 minutes, but we don't trade the first 15 or so, so no big deal.
Miss you. You're gonna be an old man on Friday.
Hey, says you, Grandpa. We're both gonna be old men. We're sinking on that ship together. We're sinking on that ship together.
How long is it gonna take you to get there traveling?
It's not actually not that bad. It's like 8 hours.
Still not the best, but
Yeah, I mean, I'd rather not travel 8 hours, but good morning, everybody. We got 1 minute till open. Vacation starts tomorrow. This will be my last trading day till next Thursday. This will be my last trading day till next Thursday. Let's make it a good one, baby. Let's make it a good one.
Yes. Like one of the things I'm trying to
Welcome
work
to the
on
Dirty
more
30s.
is to hold my
I'm
winners
happy you
longer.
guys are welcoming me with open arms.
You have to be very
Good
defensive, but
morning, everybody.
it's the
It is a
balance.
beautiful day to choose DOD, discipline over dopamine. I want you guys to take a moment, sit back, and remember the dopamine in most scenarios makes you want to make a lot of irrational and self-destructive and self-sabotaging decisions in your trading. Your job is to choose DOD today, to prioritize discipline, to follow your plan, to wait for your confirmations, and to trade smart and trade safe. Let's get it.
The wicks today, so I'm going to be careful.
Gene. What did he say? Crab was good, but it was a lot of work. Today is my last live stream before leaving for a week and a half. I'll be back. I'll be back next Thursday. So the rest of this week, y'all got it. I'll just call Gene and have him put me on speaker.
My Tradeify isn't connecting today. I can get that fixed. There we go.
I might hop on a live, come say what's up. I'm gonna miss all you guys. Have a great vacay and happy birthday. Thank you. All right, let's see. What did the market do overnight? Oh, no real direction. What are you gonna watch for today, Grizzly Glock? You see anything you like? What the hell?
What's up, Jada?
Saying you watched anything today?
Not really. Just letting the market settle here, see what it gives us.
See what our news is today.
See if we can get a full-size trading week here.
Yep. You're coming back with,
Too much
with
till
some
later.
bangers this week, bro.
Going to, man.
I know it. Maybe we'll call in every day with Grandma's bias. We could do that, I guess.
No, it's not a big
Just
news
post
week,
in
it
the-
looks
your
like.
channel.
Till Friday. Unemployment.
Grandma's pick of the day.
Not only do we need our pick, we need the exact time to enter as well.
Yep. All of it.
I think this will be a good trading week. Yes, I do. I think it'll be a great one.
I think it will too. What do we have in terms of data this week? I have not even looked. Oh, you have non-farm payroll on our birthday.
On-farm payroll.
Yeah, NFP on our birthday.
I can't believe I'll be 35.
All right,
Doesn't seem
guys.
right.
For 6 minutes, I'll be right back.
What are your thoughts on that?
My thoughts on being 35?
Yeah.
Halfway to 70. I'm just happy I made it this long, you know? See if I get 35 more.
All right, everyone. The data for the week is posted in the news and events and more section. Yep, it's all posted up, baby. Our flight's hella early tomorrow. Super early.
What time you taking off? Like,
Bro, like 5 in the morning, bro. Like taking off at 5:30.
you'll be up at 3. You'll be your flight's at 3 a.m. my time.
Yeah, it's insane.
Are you going by your time or are you speaking Eastern?
Oh no, my time. So it's 5:30 Mountain, so it'd be 7 your time. Yup. All right, let's go, everybody. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, set the takeoff time in the PJ. Some the prize. Let's go. I seen there was potentially supposed to be some snow in Colorado this week too.
Yes. You
See
get
that,
a lot
Gene?
of snow late, right? Does it usually snow this time of year in Colorado?
Like, bro, like a lot of snow. Like a lot, like up to like 10 inches.
I think I'm gonna hit another hike tomorrow.
Yeah. You and the dog?
Oh yeah.
That dog loves hiking. Dog loves hiking. Where are we going, Papa? To the Caribbean.
Yeah.
Going to the island. Taking trips on the island. Going far away on the island.
You'll be ready to come back in about 3 days.
No, Nick, I miss working. What do you say, Gene? Why are you still thinking about skiing? Have you recovered from the Nugs series loss? No. I'm still in serious emotional pain. I don't think I'll ever fully recover. I don't think we'll ever fully recover.
I have found that I need to turn off Discord.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it from you Celtics
Oops.
fans. Oh, whoops. Why is that? What the heck? Oh, that's why it's saved. Five dash eight at everyone. Let's get it. Let's go. Just joining chat. What's good? What's good?
You just don't have a definitive trend here, so I'm not taking these trades at the EMAs like we would normally do. So we want to see a good high conviction candle with good volume and then look for pullbacks. In an eval though today, I think my thought is that Bitcoin is going to run today. So we need to, I'm going to put a trade on there, I think, for those that let me trade it.
All right. Our 15-minute range is 3 minutes from being in.
Looks like
3
the
minutes from
bank.
being in our 15-minute range. Once that is in, then we can start cooking.
Go ahead and start a position. Again, just in one of my eval accounts. This Tradeify account.
Order submitted.
Tradeify doesn't allow me to trade this.
Order submitted.
Nope, looks like Tradeify doesn't like it.
Order filled. Order submitted.
This trade, I'm actually doing it in my live account, just one contract, because the reason is that the ETFs had a huge day on Friday, and I just don't think that even in this that they bought everything that they needed to buy, and they do have to buy. So I'm thinking it's going to go higher. We'll see.
All right, guys, our 15-minute range is in. I would love to see a move above that high or a move for a target of pre-market high. Again, it's Monday. I'm not going to force anything going on vacation tomorrow, but if we see something, I'm open to trading it. So that's a volume confirmation. We get that, we're good to go. We get that, we're super solid. All these companies are saying happy early birthday. Buy our stuff.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
The bright side, I was telling everyone those Lucid accounts that the troubled young man went and messed up are all back green too. So that's exciting. Couldn't hold us back for long. Try to keep them there too.
All right.
Don't.
Just my entry messing around there. We had a good candle here with increased volume. We did come down and hit there. So I'm not going to chase this. It's still a little bit iffy.
This could give us a setup. Oh, come on.
But he's liking this candle. He'll want it to finish up here strong and then dip back.
Wow, what is that? What a terrible close. What a terrible close. I had high hopes for this candle. Then VPA said, nope, not today. Maybe tomorrow, not today.
You see anything you like here, Jada?
I was hoping we were going to close that candle above the 15-minute range and we could maybe watch that pull back down.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping, but it did the thing.
All right. Gene, you want to come say hi? I'll be right back. Grizzly Glock and everybody else.
All right.
Gene's going to come look for a trade for you.
Chop City, dude.
What's up, Gene? Good morning.
What's up, man? How's it going?
Going well.
Ready
Order
to hang out
submitted.
for a week?
Oh, you mean what Jaden's going? Gotcha.
Yep.
Order
Yep.
filled.
Gonna miss him.
I took a trade here in the evals.
Yeah, I'm still gonna be streaming Asia session too. Got a lot on my plate this week. It's live trading with dinero.
This doesn't look good, fellas. So
Up, dude. You wearing?
I promised him. I told him Chef Curry was coming into town. I told him. So we're gonna see how this works out. I promised him that I'd be one day and one day only. I put on the Curry jersey. So now I'm feeling like I might be able to hit a shot, but I'm also feeling like I might be able to overrate it today. We'll see. I just now became a top 25 trader. So this feels good. Finally a top 25 trader with this jersey on.
okay, I'm in this trade
Should wear
only
an
in evals,
SGA
so
jersey. I would be
it's
getting.
a higher risk
So what's
trade.
the equivalent to a free throw?
If it
in
comes
the
back
market?
down here, we'll stop out. But
This is a Curry rookie. Weird. Oh, that picture is hilarious, bro. That is so funny. Yeah, well, now I just became an above average
submitted.
overall trader with this jersey on. Rock on. Yeah, I think if I was wearing an SGA jersey, I'd have the equivalent of like 2 free 10-point trades. Like trade moves for a while. It goes 10, 15
interesting.
points and
Almost
it's
stopped
stop
us
loss.
there. We'll see.
It's break even.
If it breaks that, then it's gonna
That's a good
go
way to put it.
down.
See what we can get here, guys. We're still stuck in this range. I hope they don't give us an inside day. My last trading day before vacay. Hope they don't give us an inside day. But if they do,
Hopefully that little
I need
flush
you guys
down
to
was
choose
the
DOD through it.
them trying to flush out all
Where
the
I send the Jayden McDaniels
longings.
jersey I got for you. You send it to Gene's house. He'll wear it. She's taking a drag. All right, everybody, let's go. shall see.
Order submitted.
Middle end of the orb is holding. I wish we had some higher volume on it. Like there is times
I did not
where,
mark the
let's say we touch
15-minute
this
range.
VWAP and touch this middle end of the orb. You could look for a continuation pattern. However, you'd want to see higher volume on this 5-minute. You're not seeing that yet. That hockey game was amazing last night. It was so much fun. So much fun. 9 goals for the Avs. 9 goals. You love that one picture. So funny. See, I like how this is looking in terms of upside on this candle in the 5-minute, but I wish we just had a bit higher volume. I think volume profiles can be very helpful. Just depends on how you look at them. Got a revenge trade for the Nuggets. No.
See what we get at this 8 o'clock candle, guys. Nice.
Interesting candle. So solid push. Solid push, however. Weak volume, 840.
Okay, stop up here.
I'll look to see if we pull back
I went ahead and trimmed one off
into the zone a little more.
Order filled.
just to lock in some profit there.
I don't love the volume. I think it looks okay for a push up.
I was just gonna say that. I don't like
but
the
I
volume.
don't love the volume there.
So
I do take this trade. I'm going to take it with less size. I'm also going on vacation tomorrow, so I'll either send myself off on a nice win or a small loss. I don't like that volume either. Candle structure looks okay above VWAP, above 15-minute high, but our volume doesn't look great there. Even the 1-minute chart wasn't super great. What do you think, Grizzy Glock? You like it? If I jump off the bridge, you jumping with me?
What's up, man?
So looking for the longs. What do you think? I don't like that volume, but the candle looks all right.
I mean, the volume just wasn't there.
I know.
Could be one of them times it plays out perfectly, but the volume just wasn't there for me.
How's the delta on that candle?
It did close above the 15-minute range and previous
221.
day point of control.
It's here.
Yeah, it doesn't look like, as far as strictly candles go, the candle doesn't look bad.
Mhm.
Your edge just goes down when that volume doesn't confirm.
Yeah, less chance it continues on in that direction.
Yep.
Could be a false breakout.
We don't have that much upside target either. I mean, we have pre-market high, which is 924. So
Not
that'd
going
be
to
like
give
a
it much
40.
risk here, but
Yeah, we
it
have
could
previous
go.
week high at 917. And Asia high is 965. So we're going to have some resistance supply there.
If it doesn't stop out, I'll look to trim up here by that previous day's high. But I'm not having high hopes. That's why I tightened up my
You got your coffee this
stop
morning,
loss.
Jay Dunn? Or you just...
Oh, yeah. Gene was kind enough to bring me some coffee and to activate Pay Done. He was kind enough to bring me some coffee.
Gene said he's coming to Tennessee to hang out with me while you're gone.
I thought so. You guys are going hiking with the dog.
He's gonna bring me a coffee.
Is that right, Gene? Going to churn butter with Grizzly?
See, here comes the abuse.
You supersonic.
This candle's trying to get some volume, but
It's about to have higher volume, but in the opposite direction. I would have been real worried about our trade if it closes like this. I would have been real worried about our trade.
Order
We
filled.
stopped out on one.
I would have been saying, oh
So
crap.
we're just
Why
slightly
did my
red
candle
here now.
shrink?
expecting
We just
VWAP.
not, there was no
Sure.
follow
Why is
through,
my
no
why did my
volume.
candle
We have
shrink?
bigger volume now, but
What's going on there?
Karma for making fun of my butter churning.
Bro, my candle's like minuscule. Why is my candle a midget? My candle's like a dwarf. I'm not tripping, right? You guys see my screen? Am I tripping?
All right, let me know if you take anything, man.
Grizzly, look at is your 5-minute candle on NQ weird or is it just mine? Look, can you see my screen share?
I can't. I don't even know how to look at it when I'm sharing.
What? Oh, it's a volume candle. I was like, why did it get switched over there? I was like, what the hell? I was like a baby. It's like, what's it? We had volume candles. I was like, why is it a little baby? It's like Shaq right here versus freaking Kevin Hart walked in the door. There we go. The candle just did a freaking cold plunge.
Gene's like, what you got against short people? Poor Gene, he's over there. Jay don't want to say like Jadon and Gene.
What do you say, Grizzly?
I said you wanted to say like Jadon and Gene, not
That's
Shaq and Kevin Hart.
Oh man, I was literally so confused for a second. I was like, why is this candle tiny? I'll tell you what, if we were in this trade, I'd be very concerned right now with how this last 5-minute candle formed.
That previous candle had a little more volume. I would try to short it probably. But let's see. Let's see what happens. If we get a nice retest candle coming back out with higher volume, I'll consider entry on that as well. Grisology should confirm that for us, though. So we'll see.
Not going to add. It's just been too erratic today. It might go, but
Yeah, I mean, it depends. Schwab's great for options trading. For futures trading, Schwab just has extremely high margin requirements, which is tough. Well, this is the area I wanted to see for longs,
Stop.
but this, whoa, this would
Order
have invalidated
filled.
it. Look at that.
Whoa.
What the hell was that?
That's why you have your stops in
This
place,
candle would have
guys.
invalidated it here. So I'm in nothing yet. What in the heck was that?
That might have just been a shakeout. So
I got my Curry jersey on.
I'm going to
I
go
was
ahead
supposed to get a trade. Oh, the Curry lovers. I thought this was supposed to do something for us. Give us a snipe, increase our accuracy.
Hello, this is Brett.
What's going on?
Hello.
Hello.
Order submitted.
Good morning.
Damn, guess what tomorrow is? No, Gene, I'm not talking about Cinco de Mayo, your favorite.
Who is calling me?
Tomorrow officially marks 2 years of no alcohol. Not a single drop of alcohol in 2 years officially tomorrow, May 5th of 2026. 2 whole years, baby. Let's go. I was never an alcoholic. I always say that, but I just wanted to make a change and took a year off and then decided to re-up my contract for another year. And I'll probably re-up my contract for a 3rd year. That would have been a textbook reverse orb because of Glock. Not quite high enough volume or enough conviction for me to take it, but thank you, guys. Let's go. Team sober, baby. Yeah, I think we're going to re-up the contract as well. Okay, so this is starting to look decent for a short. It's not a 2-bar yet. There's no trend. Just remember that. This is not a 2-bar, even though we have 2 candles in a row. You could potentially look for a reversal if we wanted to short this candle on the way up. Like 870s with stops above the high at maybe like 900. What up?
The MNQ went down to 829 on that push.
Honestly, I'm not even watching MNQ. Oh,
It
it did. Yeah.
Thought about trading it this week, but it's playing games again.
I was just watching the NASDAQ. I wasn't even watching MNQ.
See, if just say that we had taken the breakout candle there, MNQ would have stopped us out, but NQ would have not. We would still be in the trade.
Interesting, yeah.
It's something to keep in mind.
I was looking too. I'd say this technically could be a decent reversal, but we're still above VWAP. We're still above point of control. We're still above the 50% retracement. I just don't fully trust the setup for the reversal quite yet.
We get a high volume candle closing back out of the range. I'll still consider longs. That's all I wanted to say. Trash talk MNQ.
Nothing for me. I'm not going to short it. I'm also going to wait. If I'm going to long it, it's going to have some volume confirmation. So I'm just going to wait. I don't trust this price action yet.
Crazy.
I don't trust this price action just quite yet. It's important you guys understand why this I've seen a few people commenting about a 2-bar, why this was not a 2-bar. The only time a 2-bar comes into play is when you have a strong trend up or down. Let's get a nice strong volume close here, retest back down, and then we try to target that pre-market high.
Yep.
That's what I'd like to see. That's what I'd like to see.
Go. I'm gonna go ahead and follow my stop up here. Two minutes to the close of the 5 minute. 3 minutes or 5 minutes to the close of the 6 minute. I trade the 6 minute chart, which is a bit unusual, but I like it.
All right, let's see if we have a minute and a half left. Let's see if we can get higher volume and a strong close in this candle. I'm going to the Caribbean, man.
We got all those wicks. Crazy.
Come on. 40 more seconds. See if we can get a strong volume push and a close. If we do get that strong volume push and close, I am open to a retest back down to that 15-minute high. 880 area with stops below like 850. All right, guys. At that point, we can try to give Mr. Smiley some
What's
hair.
up? Hey, you watching this long entry if this candle closes strong?
Yeah, if we have 7 more seconds. Let's see if we can get more volume. I would have rather seen us have a bit more
You have
volume push,
increased
and
volume.
now we're getting a wick.
Still good volume.
What?
Still decent volume, not crazy.
I don't think it looks horrible. See if we get a little deeper pullback to like 870 to 880. Not sure we will. Mr. Smiley wants to go to Turkey.
880 would be it for me if we're going to try long.
Mhm.
So we trying some 880, everyone? We done? It will be a
Sure.
regular size trade for me if we take it.
It will be?
Yeah, regular size.
Not quite the volume I wanted, but I'm not opposed.
We have a risk to find there.
We touched the 15-minute high at 888. I want to see us pull down a little more into this retracement area, 875 to 880, and then poke up. But we did not. I want to ride the wave to the upside. Ride the wave to the upside. Let the wave dip down a little bit. I'm not sure we're going to get it. We might just go.
880. We wasn't far from it.
Put a buy order at 875. Put a buy order at 875 in case we do a wick and move.
Like
Go ahead and put stops at 850.
Order submitted.
Wow, this candle's just messing with me at this point.
$27,875 is where I put a buy at. I'm not going to go full size on this trade if I end up getting filled taking it. Just so you
Going
guys
regular
know.
size. 880, everyone's where I'll start my long position if we get there, okay? You said you're adding more. You're adding at 770. I'm in.
Try to piece. Me too. I had a buy order. I'm going to take my buy order of 875 now. And I may add more, but I tried down there too. Tried the longs.
Right at previous day point of control why I entered there, everyone. Touched it, literally touched it. $9.17 would be a good first price target on this. But you all can trim where you see fit, okay?
Yep, come on.
My first trim would be a high day.
Yep, me too. That's about 1-to-1 right there.
If it hits high day, that would be a trim. I'll move my
Order
stop
canceled.
to entry. That way, if it pushes down, I've locked in the profits. Grisology is trying to confirm on this candle as well for the orb retest. No, my feel was like 82, everyone. I didn't get in right at 880. I'm not even sure if it pushed down quite enough. I clicked buy market.
Let's see, high a day out of this. Decent, like 25 points so far.
Keep on ripping. I feel like it's going to be a good trade. Wheat drops, it shoots straight down.
Uh-oh. We're about to get to take profit. We're about to get to take profit. Come on.
No, keep going.
I did not trim any off up there. I wanted to see up to like above that high a day.
I wouldn't. I mean, we should get it, but you've seen how it did with me last week. It missed low a day by like 2 points and stopped me out.
I'm gonna put a sell order in just above high a day, everybody. So I have my sell order set for a trim above high a day. I also have a stop loss set. Worst case scenario below 850.
Previous candle looks bullish as well, so it looks good.
Come on. What's up, bro? Hit TP. Come on. We got 20, almost 25 points so far.
Thanks. Major.
I'm going to trim some off a little early, guys. Only reason being is that I'm leaving for vacation tomorrow, and I want to make sure I end on the winner. So I'm going to go ahead and trim some off here.
You just need some money to spend, don't you? Spend on vacation. Get some money to spend on vacation.
Yeah, I'd like to see high day, but I also want to end my trading before going to the islands on a
He's
winner.
all there
So
as
I took
well.
some off up here, guys. It's about just
See if
about
I can
30
make
points.
this
I
Order
still have my
canceled.
sell order set for above high a day. Come on.
Do it.
Push above high a day. Come on.
This area's got dad strength.
I'm going to move my stop to 878 because I took some off. Otherwise, I wouldn't move my stop. So that's
Oh,
4 points below.
What I will do, everyone, if we push back down to my entry at 882, I'll lower my position. I'll take some of the risk off. But
We want high a day, baby.
I'm going to leave some in, see if we catch the move.
Come on. Come on. No, not that way. I would put the bull mask on, but we all know how that goes when I put that on. Come on. Channel your inner Steph Curry, NASDAQ. Slowly grind up. Be just above average. Come on. Keep moving up just above average. Come on,
Oh,
guys.
for sure. We at least touched that previous week high.
Move this up to here. Come on. Come on, NASDAQita. Come on. Channel your inner Curry. Show us what Curry's made of. Show us what Steph Curry's made of. Show us the truth about Curry right now.
Just go away.
This next candle decides the fate of Curry. Not the greatest 5-minute candle, but also not the worst. Come on. Show us the truth, NASDAQ. NASDAQita. Show us the way.
This isn't sure what it
About
wants
20
to do
points, give or
today.
take, from your entry. My stops are set below that previous wick low, so I will be slightly green if I get stopped out. That's where I had mine, but you listen, I only took some off early because I leave tomorrow. I don't want to end on a bad note. I still think it's technically valid to have stops below 850. You just have more risk on. I don't think it's a bad idea. If I hadn't taken any off, I'd for sure have my stop still at 850. The only risky part is that we failed 900 and moved back down. I'd rather see us can get some continuation up here. But this has been a little choppy as of so far. So we'll see. Hopefully they can give us the push here. Come on, buyers. Grow some huevos. Come on. Hit my sell order. Come on.
Push it.
Push it. Come on. For all that is good and for all that is great. Come on.
All I want for my
Gotta-
birthday is NQ to push up to Asia High.
Where's Asia High at? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But like,
965.
yeah, that'd be great, huh?
Could happen, man. At least a 924. Give us pre-market high.
Still 8:30.
Do we have any Fed speakers or anything today?
Got between 20 to 30 points depending on your entry there. So
Yeah, there was a flash down real quick.
let's see.
So it recovers.
Come on.
I'm a little worried about it coming down and stopping me out.
Okay, this is a good sign. We didn't like blow that candle. Let's keep it
My
moving.
entry was 82. 82, I will lower my size if we push back down to my entry. Take a little risk off if it does stop me out.
Come on.
Yeah, I think
All
it's
right.
going to fail.
Oh, out of this trade, guys. Out of this trade. Out of this trade. I just blew entry. We move back up, but I'm keeping my small green. If we see another setup, I'm willing to take it.
Isn't that crazy how close we got to high day? Didn't hit
Yep,
it?
I just had spidey freaking sense that was going to happen.
Order
We got up
filled.
25, 30 points just by high day. I was like, nope, not letting it do the BS. Not letting it do the BS. So, and then we had a candle close below.
Order
Interesting.
filled.
So I followed my plan, guys. Got to move from 880 up to 912. So about 30 points, 20, 30 points, depending on where you entered. And we'll see how we move around here. If I hadn't have trimmed, I'd keep my stop at 850, hard stop below VWAP, and I'd still be targeting high a day. That's what I'd be looking for. But we leave for the freaking tropics tomorrow. So I'm usually not a C green, take green advocate. I'm actually the opposite of it. But today we saw some green, took some green. Just a little bit.
Order submitted.
We rejected that pivot up at 909 almost to a T. I'd still like to see us build above that. I'd still like to see us build above the high a day. I'm not in the trade, but I'd like to see it for y'all. Got a baby trade. It's like maybe I should have been. Maybe I should have been on wearing my Shy Gildress, or however you say his name, Alexander jersey. That was like a free throw right there. That was like a free throw. That's what I was talking about earlier. That's the example of a free throw. We held above VWAP, which is good. If I wasn't leaving and didn't have a busy day, I would have had my stop. So if you're still holding this how I traditionally would, I'd have my stops at 850. Blow this view out, blow this candle, and I want to target this high a day.
All right, everyone. If we get high day, I will trim. So, as long as we're above VWAP, this trade is still valid in play. The only thing I did was lower my risk. That's it.
Hope it crushes for you, dog. Paid for the steaks tonight. For what it's worth.
In case we
I still like the upside. Until we break below this 850, I still like the upside. Let's see. We have 15 more seconds on this candle. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Keep pushing.
Yeah, we'll want to see this to keep pushing. So
Hold above that 15-minute high again. I think it looks decent for upside. There. The J don't think indicator can fire for some of y'all.
Oh no. It's kind of stuck here now. Not really doing anything.
10 seconds to my candle closes. I'd love for it to close above the 15-minute. They're fighting for it, so.
9:13, 9:14 for our trim first, then 9:24.
That's not good.
Hmm.
Really like to see it bounce here. Go up and take out that high up here, and then maybe a little bit higher. Okay.
Let's see if we can hold this 50% retracement. This is the area. If we're going to keep trending up, I'd like to see us hold this
Yeah.
880. And see some volume push. Buyers, you need to get some damn volume to them.
We're 20 points in profit here. Let's see if it keeps going.
See if you can get the push up now. Held that 50%. I want to see that high a day now.
Feel like it's going to push up and mess with me one more time before making it.
No, she's going high day this time. I summon the powers of Curry. Apparently, one of the best overrated players of all time.
You don't like Curry?
No, I just like to give people crap. I found that it's ultimate level rage bait.
We're about to get high day. What are we doing here?
This is where I trim before everybody. This is the area. I'd like to see y'all push to high day though. At pre-market high, this would be your ideal price target would be up here at like pre-market high.
Trim. Took a wait, not filming. Didn't I hit high day? Yeah, it filled me. I trimmed there, everyone.
Just going
That
to
was
get
where
us.
I had my previous sell spot at right there.
Yeah.
My Tradevate's being weird. Everyone's Tradevate good?
I think so.
My stop is now at 27,882. Winning trade regardless.
Should have a little more volume on that for you, but we'll take a win for the day.
Yes, we will.
Take a win for the day.
Um, 924 is where I'll trim again, everyone. 924, 925, right in that area.
It's above this.
Then
I'd
after
be,
that, I would like to see if we get 965
Probably.
for a final price target.
yeah, yeah.
Everyone hear me?
Let's go see how our NBT trade is working. That would be on this one.
Get 1 for 1. I can hear you, Grizzly. On the day. Or if you trimmed or if you held.
Uh-oh, we're about to get second price target.
All we needed was that
We
G
got it.
side fire for you to de-risk.
We got the second price target up there. Wicked up and hit it.
Beautiful thing.
Connection lost.
Solid morning, guys.
965 out of this, I'll be happy.
Connectivity issues, guys.
Happy with my nice little 1R winner.
Making money.
This is my last before I leave for the next week and a half. Y'all made money on the trade with Grizzly and
Connection
Jay Dunn.
lost.
Type it in the chat whether it's small or
All right, guys, having some
Let's
connectivity
go.
issues.
How much y'all make with points today? I want to see base hits. I want to see big winners. Come on, let's go. Talk to me. How much you guys make on that trade? 500 times 4, 100, 350, 1100, 411, 450, 200, 87, 53. We love the base hits, baby. 350. 821, once going twice, 170 times 2, 650 times 3 live accounts, 157, 800, 720, 74, 207, 290, 320, 1100, 2K. Let's go. Sorry, I had to do one more run it up before leaving for the week. Had to do one more. Had to get one more. I probably will not trade on vacation, hardly at all. I'm not going to say no definitively. However, it's not super likely. Here's the deal, guys. You guys want some giveaways before I go? Post your gains in the post your gains section. Tag me, tag your boy Grizzly. Type something nice.
Sure what's
Team
happened
Bull.
here, but
Post some gains. I'll pick a few y'all to win some Apex accounts.
let's see if changing my internet connection is going to
You
help.
guys follow that original plan. Stops below 850. That thing is moving. Excuse my language. It's currently at 1.3 R. This would have been the main price target right here.
Lost.
No, I'm not going to bring a Starlink. The only reason being is that I just want to chill, man. I have my whole family out there. Trading is not going anywhere. I haven't taken a vacation in like 3 years. Literally like 3 years.
Disconnect them all.
All right, we're pushing up here. Hopefully, we get this final price target and we just go enjoy the rest of our day, Team Bull.
What a freaking day. It ended up going the higher low. Just took a bit to chill.
I'm happy I'll manage that though. Lowering my position, taking a little risk off when it hit entry. After missing my trend by a few points.
That's all I had to do. Just have the GSI fire a little bit.
Right.
Only halfway. I mean, that's the key. It's just halfway fire.
Yeah. Tricked it.
Trick it.
It was 965.
Now, this 5-minute candle right here is technically speaking a 2-bar. We close above 15 pre-market high. Not a whole lot of risk there. Either 915 on like 900 stops.
You looking for a possible second entry here?
I'm done trading, but I was just talking.